introduce you our new product, electric hook lock for sliding door YSD-230. It's all metal structure with SUS-304 stainless steel material. It's super strong to withstand the impact force of 400 kg. In addition, it has door signal output, which you can use to detect the door status. What's more, we designed two latches of anti-prying function. It's higher security. Okay, let's check how it works by electric control. Now it's power off. Okay, power on. Power off. Power on. Let's check it works by manual operation. Electric hook lock installed on the sliding door. After the application test, the electric hook lock cannot be opened and the structure of the lock body is not deformed or cracked.